Hey guys, just wanted to come on here real quick and give you guys a 6-month update on this Hairvivi wig. This is the Mia wig in 20 inches. And first I want to show you guys the length, more the laundry behind me. As you guys can see, this hair is holding up really well. It's pretty heat damaged, so I'm about to switch it out for another unit, but I just wanted to show you guys how this one held up. I spent my own money on this hair. I think it came up to like $450 before tax, but yeah, I'm pretty impressed by it. The number one thing that impresses me with this unit is just this part right here. The fact that it comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Usually with my frontals, after like the 3rd or 4th month, we'll start to see this line just getting really wide and like the hair is falling out and shedding. Within the last week or so, I've been seeing the front start to shed a little bit more, like right in this area. But for 6 months, that's not bad, honestly. And I also like the natural color of this unit. When I got a unit from Kendra's Boutique, I had to dye it jet black just to get it like really dark. But this one comes pretty dark in my opinion. Oh, and another thing about this hair, this is the 180 density, not the 150. I do want them to come up with something over 200 just because I feel like it's leaning on the thin side. But because the hair is straight, I guess it's okay for it to not be too thick. But this is all the hair pulled to the front, this side. Oh, and there's also not too much shedding with this hair either. In the morning when I brush it, I do take off any of the loose strands, but throughout the day, I don't really experience too much shedding. But yeah, that's how this hair is holding up. Just wanted to hop on real quick. My birthday is Thursday, so I'm getting a new unit. I'm debating between getting this unit again or trying like a deep wave pattern. I think it's called like the Janice wig or something like that. But I might try that if it's like not too big, but they do have a really good policy where you can return it if you don't like it, as long as you don't cut the lace. If you have any questions about this hair, just drop it in the comments.